The front door speakers on the Cayenne can easily be replaced. You just need to remove the front door panel first. Depending on how your Cayenne is optioned, may depend on the speakers you have. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with door panel removal. With the door panel removed, place it down on something clean and soft to protect it. Next, unhook the insulation from the back of the panel, red arrows. You will have already unplugged the speaker wire when you remove the door panel. Use a T20 torque and remove the 3 screws holding the speaker to the door panel indicated by the red arrows. You can now remove the speaker. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to note the placement of the wiring connection when reinstalling the speaker. There is a base speaker mounted to the door subframe, red arrow. To remove it, begin by squeezing in on the 2 tabs on the electrical connection and separating the connection, red arrows. Use a T25 torque and remove the 6 torque screws holding the speaker to the door frame, red arrows. If the speaker has never been removed, it may adhere to the door and require a small effort to remove it. Be careful, it is heavy. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.